Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Juan de la Cruz. I'm an export management student, and here are my fellow classmates in Orgacom. Please say hi to the class.
Hi.
Okay, and we're here today because we want to share with you an advocacy which we hope you would be willing to support. The name of our advocacy is Job Aid, and the objective of Job Aid is to help our Biniljan job seekers. They could be students, they could be graduating students, they could be alumni, find jobs through the referrals that you can give. Okay? Alam niyo naman po sa panahon ngayon, napakahirap po maghanap ng trabaho. So any lead or referral that you can give is much appreciated by our Biniljan job seekers. Incidentally, this advocacy is done in coordination with our very own Career and Placement Office here in De La Salle Binil. Now you might ask, Sir, paano po ba itong job aid na to? What are the mechanics in this advocacy? Let me explain. Suppose we have an HR officer from company X. Okay? So this is the HR officer. And let us suppose that this company is in need of a programmer. Let us also suppose that we have here, on the other side, a Biniljan job seeker, graduate of computer applications who knows how to program. Unfortunately, they don't know each other. So because of that, they don't get their programmer, he doesn't get a job. Fortunately, there's you. Now, even if you're a student, an ordinary student, I'm sure you know someone or some people who are working. Okay? Like this contact from company X. Take note, this is the same company that the HR officer belongs to. Now, this contact can be a family member. A mother, a father, a brother, a sister, maybe a friend, maybe a fellow classmate, because we have working students here in De La Salle Binil. Doesn't matter, as long as it is a person that you could comfortably talk about our advocacy. So you talk to your contact about our advocacy, you could probably even give them flyers like this. And let us suppose that your contact decides to help. How can your contact help? Well, what your contact will do is that he will take down the name of the HR officer and his contact information, and that information will be turned over to a representative from the CPO office, because these people are the experts when it comes to hiring and recruitment in our school. And they would liaise on behalf of our Biniljan job seeker so that he could hopefully get a job for company X. Are the mechanics clear?
Yes.
Do you believe that this is a worthwhile advocacy?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, before I proceed to my close, and I'm going to close with two statements, I'd like to ask the professor of this class, Sir, I've noticed that some of the students here could recognize some familiar faces in the crowd. No? They're classmates perhaps from other sections. Would it be possible for them to give out flyers and get their contact information for purposes of follow-up? Yes, that's very possible. Oh, thank you po, sir. And now we move on to our close. I have two statements. First statement is this. I'm sure everyone in this room would agree that De La Salle Binil is one of the best schools in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, you would not be here and your parents would not send you to this school. Second point, I'm sure you would also agree that De La Salle Binil could produce the best employees, not just for company X, but any company worldwide. You agree?
Yes.
Now, given the fact that we have statement number 1 and statement number 2 to be true, siguro naman hindi kayo mahihiya na mag-endorse ng isang Biniljan job seeker, because the same quality education that you have is the same quality education that he has. The same competitive skill sets that you have that could make you competitive employees out there are the same competitive skill sets that our Biniljan job seeker has. So basically, that is our advocacy in a nutshell. Sana po ay suportahan po natin ang ating school, suportahan po natin ang ating mga Biniljan job seekers, suportahan po natin ang Job Aid. Yun lang po. Good night and thank you very much.